A Lake Havasu city man is recovering from burns tonight after his boat caught fire and exploded on Lake Havasu Tuesday evening. Mike Quijada from the Lake Havasu Fire Department said the man jumped from his 30-foot cruiser where a bystander on a pontoon boat helped him. He was the only person on the boat at the time and no one else was injured.
The explosion happened about 100 feet from the shore. The man suffering from the explosion was taken to the hospital and he's now recovering. This is a reminder for everyone to be safe while on the lake and to take all necessary precautions before and during your boating adventures.